Hello there. I bought this motherboard from eBay as a used motherboard, and reason I'm doing this video, I had a trouble with the outer lightings of the motherboard. Built-in lights didn't turn up when I switch on the board. So I thought doing this video might be help you guys out there who struggling to get these lights working, because I had a trouble getting them on, and I found a way to turn them on. I'll show you how I managed to do it. I'll show you the exact trouble I was facing. Let me set this up. The exact issue I had was when I turn the power on this board, you can't see any outer lightings coming up. Even if I switch on, you can see the, let me take the camera closer. You can see it's trying to build, and also the screen coming up, post to the BIOS and all everything, but the lights on the motherboard itself is not on. I'll show you how I managed to fix that issue. Turn off the motherboard. Got my SSD. Connect the SSD. Keyboard. And dongle for wireless mouse. Now turn on again. That's the SSD. I pre-installed Windows 10 in it. Right, as you can see, there's no Aura lighting in there. All you have to do is download Aura application from manufacturer's website. In this case, I already downloaded. It's right here. I already downloaded and install the Aura. In my case, I already installed, so I'm not gonna install it again. And once you install the Aura software, you can see that's the lighting is off in here. All you have to do is make it switch it on, and then that should turn on the lights on the motherboard. So now you can see all the lights illuminated. So